Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Shoichi ANDO. Now I'm teaching on urban planning systems based on the city planning law and the building standard law in Japan. And in the daytime, also, I'm serving as a director of IISEE, International Institute for Seismology and Earthquake Engineering of the Building Research Institute in Tsukuba. I very happy to join this seminar. I thank Professor Ieda to invite me to introduce the damage of cities and buildings by the Great East Japan earthquake. This is the data of the Ministry of Infrastructure, Transport and Tourism. There is a research institute, National Research Institute in Tsukuba, so-called Kokusoken. There are the data of the strong motion of the ground level. And this is the simulation of the tsunami. The red part is a kind of increase of the sea level, and the blue part is a kind of subduction or depression of the sea level. And you can see the time. Now it's 76 minutes. So almost within 1 hour, the tsunami reached to almost all the coastline. And yeah, again, this is just 10 minutes, and within 30 minutes now, almost 30 minutes, the Sanriku area was suffered from the tsunami, but the Sendai area is still waiting for tsunami. So almost 1 hour it need to reach here. And this simulation is prepared by one of our staff of expert of tsunami or seismology. He analyzed and he prepared this fault slip model. And this is a kind of big number and a surprising number of maximum slip of this area. This is the boundary of the plate of Pacific plate and Eurasian or North American plate. And close to the plate, 34 meter, he estimated that the 34 meter slipped. That's very huge number. And this is the kind of area of the surveyed by the Building Research Institute after tsunami. Firstly, the Building Research Institute located in Tsukuba City. So Tsukuba city is located here. And first, the rescue stage, we didn't visit the coastal area, but we surveyed inland area because almost 1G or more than 1,000 gals recorded even in the inland area. So we checked the bearings or damaged bearings here, and later we investigated the tsunami damaged area, like these areas. And I just introduce the tsunami damage of cities and buildings from the north. This is the very famous town, Taro area of Miyako City. This is the double lined bank here. But after tsunami, this is the inside and the outside. Outside sea wall almost was damaged. And I just would like to show you the picture. The first one is, I took this picture almost 1 month after the tsunami. So most of the kind of distracted houses and buildings are moved at this stage. And this is the this wall was survived, but the inside was destroyed. This is also the building, a hotel. But you can see the sea tsunami reached to the fourth floor. So this is steel structure and remained. But other structure around here are mostly constructed by wood destroyed. And this is the also, this is not the building, but I took this picture. And at the same time, the Miyako City, within 1 month, 1.5 months, the temporary houses are constructed at the kind of highland area. And I took this picture from the city hall of Miyako City. Yeah, you can see very famous video. How can I change the video? 'Kay. This is the same place from the same place, City Hall of the Miyako City. I heard from the one official of the Miyako City that this day there's a first day of the city congress discussion. So many newspaper company came to this building, and fifth floor is the congress room, and they took this picture. Almost all the newspaper company took this picture from the, and you can see, very difficult to see, there is a pole that indicated the estimated tsunami level. So this is a very famous picture. This pole indicate the estimated tsunami level. So it is almost right. That yeah. And this area is almost 1/2 kilometer from the coastal line, and the other side there is a fisheries villages almost completely damaged, but City Hall is located here. Then this may be the second wave, but because of the river, this is the wall. This side of the city, not so much damaged, but another side means this side, City Hall side was completely damaged. At the same time, I just like to show, this is one of the most impressive video of Onagawa town. As someone may know that from the viewpoint of the building and the cities, Onagawa town is one of the most affected area by this tsunami. And it may be a rather longer video, but this is the first wave of tsunami. It's not so severe, but gradually the tsunami came stronger and stronger, and this picture was taken from the top roof of the building just beside the port area. Maybe five story building. And it survived. Gradually, the sea level is upgrading, and finally, this bridge was inundated. This is the north side of the Onagawa city. The tsunami is increasing its power and speed, and this is the kind of hillside. Many pictures are taken from this hillside, but the tsunami, this is the maybe almost the last stage of the tsunami, and you can see the this is the inside of the Onagawa city, and then tsunami came back from the inland. This is the kind of evacuation place, and the back flow from the land is very, very rapid and strong. So I'll show you later the collapsed reinforced and steel structure building. So this is one of the shocking movie in the case of tsunami in Onagawa town. Maybe for the moment I stop the video here and again. Yeah, this one. Next. Yeah, this is the place that you can see the first video, and this is also the a kind of pole that indicate to the citizen that the tsunami will come here, until here. So this is famous also, Otsuchi town's monument, but finally the owner of this ship would like to use again, so it was moved to the sea. In case of Indonesia, I remember in Aceh, many ships are remaining in the inside as a memory of the tsunami. This is the Onagawa town. That the second video, you can see the video was taken from this building, and this is the evacuation place. But this even the evacuation place is the almost 15 meters from the sea level. Partly it was inundated, and almost all the city area was, town area was destroyed. This is the picture I took in April, and this is the reinforced concrete structure building. And some reinforced concrete structure building, which is the returning. Excuse me. This is a 4-story reinforced concrete structure building. It moved from here to here without any trace. So that float within the water. And those buildings will be a kind of monument. As a monument, the town municipality would like to remain these buildings as it is. This is also the reinforced concrete structure building, 2-story, and you can see this wall. So this building turn over without collapse this wall. So this building is also float within the